Hi, I'm Dane Muldoon, Senior Sales Engineer at Supply Partners, Australia's leading technical distributor of solar and energy storage systems. What's this? This is the REC Registry website. You can find it at rec-registry.gov.au, and this is the organisation federally that tracks all the STCs and LGCs. Now, one of the useful pieces of content they have on their website is an STC calculator, and if we take a look at the small generation unit STC calculator, we can then put in our relevant details and it will confirm what type of system we have and how many STCs it is eligible for. And one of the things I want to point out is that STCs are eligible for 100 kilowatt systems. That's 100.000, as you can see there. We're going to go for the longest deeming period available. I'll just put in my office postcode and I'll say, yes, I have read the disclaimer, and then we hit calculate. Now the results are that it is a small generation unit in postcode zone 3. It is eligible for 1,520 STCs. That is a system of size 100 kilowatts. Now if I was to change this even by a tiny amount, 0.001 kilowatts, then when I hit calculate, I will get an error. You can see up here, rated power output exceeded maximum value of 100. So for all the people that think that you have to have 99 kilowatts or less than 100 kilowatts, that's not true. You can have 100.000 is fine, as long as you don't exceed the 100, you will be eligible for STCs. Now, the other point of confusion around STCs is with respect to inverters themselves. And to answer this question, we need to go to a different website, the cleanenergyregulator.gov.au website, and we're going to take a look at the criteria for eligibility. So first of all, I'm going to click here on the renewable energy target, go into scheme participants and industry, go down to agents and installers, look for small scale system eligibility, and scroll down here to the criteria. So it says, to be eligible for small scale technology certificates, a small generation unit including solar PV must be classified as small scale, and for solar panel systems has a capacity no more than 100 kilowatts, which we've covered, and a total annual electricity output less than 250 megawatt hours. As you can see, there is no mention of inverter capacity. What this means is that you could use a 90 kilowatt inverter for your 100 kilowatt PV system. You could use a 110 kilowatt inverter for your 100 kilowatt PV system. STCs are based on the solar panel capacity only. It is up to a maximum of 100.0 kilowatts and is not related to inverter capacity at all. The only relationship is where you talk about the inverter can't be too small. There is that oversizing rule of the 1.333, as you might be aware. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this short explanation. There's plenty more over at supplypartners.com.au. See you next time.